Wage garnishment is frequently the most reliable and cost-effective judgment enforcement tool available to creditors. Once implemented, it continues automatically each pay period until the judgment is satisfied or employment ends, without requiring repeated court appearances or enforcement actions. Here's the complete guide to obtaining and executing a wage garnishment. Step 1. Confirm employment. You must know the debtor's current employer, specifically the legal entity name and address of the employer, before filing for garnishment. This is where professional skip tracing is essential. People locator. Skip tracing identifies current employers through credit header data, professional license records, and other professional database sources. Step 2. Obtain a writ of garnishment. In most states, a judgment creditor applies to the court clerk for a writ of garnishment after judgment has been entered and a notice period has passed. The writ names the employer as garnishee and directs them to withhold a portion of the debtor's wages. Step 3. Serve the writ on the employer. The writ must be personally served on the employer according to state service requirements. Typically, service is made on the company's registered agent, the company's HR or payroll department, or an authorized agent of the employer. Step 4. Employer compliance. Once served, the employer is required by court order to begin withholding within a specified period, often by the next pay cycle. The employer sends the withheld funds directly to the court or to the creditor depending on state procedure. The employer must also file a written answer confirming the employment status and wage information. Federal limitations under the Consumer Credit Protection Act cap wage garnishment for consumer debt at 25% of disposable earnings, or the amount by which disposable earnings exceed 30 times the federal minimum wage, whichever is less. Many states impose stricter caps. Certain income types are exempt from garnishment or have different rules. Social Security, pension income, disability benefits, and similar income streams often have stronger exemption protections than regular wages. If the debtor changes jobs, a new garnishment order must be obtained and served on the new employer. This is why ongoing address and employment monitoring can be valuable for long-running collection matters. People Locator Skip Tracing provides current employer verification for garnishment filings. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to get started.